It is a parasite. This is Rafflesia, the corpse flower. After about 5 years, the bud finally opens into a monstrous flower. It appears to have fur, even whiskers and teeth. Its petals are the colour of blood. From its centre comes the pungent odour of death. It's a scent that might not appeal to every animal, but it's very attractive to carrion flies. The scent lures the fly deep into the flower in search of meat. It's stuck pollen to the fly's back. If this male Rafflesia's strategy is to work, the fly carrying its pollen must now visit a female corpse flower, such as this one. Success.